Mm. Oh boy, Olive. Oh, don't put your hand in there. Ah, no. You ready, honey? Oh, ready? Oh, Mama. Don't. Oh, she's always trying to grab it. Oh. Mmm. Okay. Mama, open. Open, Olive. Open. She always has to suck her finger in between bites.
Yeah, she doesn't do that as much.
Open, Olive. Open. Open. You're not gonna make noises? You're such a mess. Mama. Oh no, don't grab it. Oh. Oh boy. No, get your fingers out of your mouth. Here, for the spoon only. Ooh. This is pretty runny, actually. I think she is totally graduated from this. Oh no. Oh no, we missed. Oh no, okay. Good thing we're doing the laundry after this. Oh, she just put her, you just put peas in your eye. Hi. Baby with the big hands. Yeah. What's honey? Ooh, look at your face. I'm going to get a washcloth. Okay? Bye-bye.